Welcome back to our series on NERC Standards. This video will examine the NERC EOP, Emergency Preparedness and Operations Standards. What are EOP standards? EOP standards are designed to ensure that registered entities are adequately prepared to respond and recover from emergencies affecting the bulk electric system. These standards establish requirements for planning, communication, coordination, and operational readiness during emergencies. EOP4, Event Reporting, requires entities to report specific system disturbances and events to NERC and regional authorities to ensure effective communication and analysis, supporting system reliability and resilience. EOP5, System Restoration from Blackstart Resources, establishes requirements for the preparation and implementation of system restoration plans, ensuring reliable use of Blackstart resources during system restoration processes. EOP6, System Restoration Coordination, mandates coordination between transmission operators and reliability coordinators for system restoration plans, ensuring effective communication and minimizing restoration delays. EOP8, Loss of Control Center Functionality, requires entities to develop and maintain plans to address the loss of primary control center functionality, ensuring continuity of operations and system reliability during emergencies. EOP10, Geomagnetic Disturbance Operations, outlines requirements for operational procedures to mitigate the effects of geomagnetic disturbances on the BES, enhancing system resilience during such events. EOP11, Emergency Operations, ensures entities develop and maintain emergency operations plans to address various emergency scenarios, including capacity shortages and extreme weather events to support grid reliability. EOP12, Extreme Cold Weather Preparedness and Operations, establishes requirements for entities to prepare for and operate reliably during extreme cold weather conditions, reducing the risk of widespread outages and ensuring system resilience. For more information on NERC EOP standards and how to implement them in your operations, stay tuned for our upcoming videos and resources.